Namaste. Welcome to Sri Vidya Tantrapedam. In this video, we will be covering the Machel Chandimata Temple. The Machel Temple is situated in Machel village in the district of Kishtawar in Jammu region in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, India. The temple is surrounded by beautiful hills, glaciers, and the tributaries of Chenab River. On one side of the temple, there lies the world famous sapphire mines. The goddess resides in temple in both Swayambhu Shila form as well as in the form of Vigrahas. It is said that many centuries ago, the Devi first appeared in the village of Mintal, in home of a woman, in the form of Swayambhu Shila, and then she appeared in the village of Machel. There are many miracles happening in and around this temple which shows the presence of Devi, and that is why the temple has been a place of pilgrimage for the Hindus of Jammu. The jewelry that is offered to Devi keeps vibrating or shaking. However, there is no place for air to come in. Many devotees has also reported that they have seen the flickering eyes of the wicked. The temple's history is also entwined with the conquests of Dogra army's general Zorawar Singh Kaluria, who in 1834 sought blessings of Chandimata before crossing the mountains and Indus River with 5,000 men for vanquishing an army of local Bhotis of Ladakh. He became successful in his expedition and then became a faithful devotee of the goddess. There is also another story in which Devi has helped the people living in the mountains. Once a pandemic hit the village of Zanskar. The Buddhist people of Zanskar came here in Machel and asked for Devi's help to get rid of the disease. Devi granted them the boon, and indeed they got rid of the pandemic. And in gratitude, the people of Zanskar offered the Vigraha of Devi that is purely made of silver. This Sri Vigraha of Devi is in Chaturbhuja form. However, it is said that Devi resides here in both her Kali and Ashtadashbhuja form, the 18-armed form of goddess Chandi. The annual yatra to the shrine goes in the month of July-August, in which a trishul made of silver is offered to goddess. That is why it is known as Trishul Bhent Yatra or the Chhadi Yatra of Machel Mata. The yatra was started in 1980s on the order of Devi herself. It was started by Thakur Kulbir Singh Ji, who did much tapasya at Machel village to please Devi. He is considered as greatest devotee of Machel Mata. After darshan of Devi in Machel, people go to nearby city of Bhadrava to seek blessings of Thakur Kulbir Singh Ji. Devi fulfills wishes of all her devotees, hence every year lakhs of devotees visit the shrine. The temple remains closed from Makar Sankranti to Baisakhi, as in accordance with the Pahadi customs, and the Sri Vigraha is taken to a small shrine during this period. To reach the shrine, one can hire a cab or travel through bus from Jammu to Gulabgarh. It takes approximately 10 hours to reach Gulabgarh as the distance is around 290 kilometers. From Gulabgarh, the foot journey starts, that is around 32 kilometers. However, now the distance is reduced as government is making new roads. On the way, there are many villages where people can stay at night. During the time of Yatra, there are many langars which offer free food to the devotees. The people say that every year Devi herself waits for Machel Yatra, as the Jagan Mata is also eager to meet her children. The Machel Yatra is a heavenly experience. Everyone can visit the shrine and can receive the blessings of Goddess Chandi. Om.